How to look at calculator history on Android. Welcome to Glitz and let's get right into this tutorial. To look at a calculator history, first launch a calculator in your device. You can search for your calculator app or just launch it from the notification center. In here, tap on the history icon that would look something like this. Tap on the icon. Then you will see all of your calculator history. Tap on Clear History and tap on OK. If the option is not present over here, tap on the setting gear icon and search for History. It differs according to your Android model. If not, you have to tap Open Your Settings and scroll down to check out on Apps. Head on All Apps. Tap on the search icon to search for calculator. Force stop your application and head to storage and cache to clear it up. This will fix bug issue and also force an update. While you are in your setting, check out the system update as well. Make sure that your system is up to date so that it is compatible with some of the features of your application. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.